Hello Internet, YouTube. My name's Toli. I recently decided to upgrade my camera bag because the zipper was recently starting to give me issues. Well, see for yourself. The camera can pick it up. So here's the zipper, and when you try and zipper it, especially when there's a lot of stuff loaded in there, it just kind of splits open. And I no longer trust this camera bag to hold my expensive camera gear. Therefore, I have to buy a new one. So here we are. I did some interneting and found two options. In this video, I'm going to compare my current camera bag with the two options that I found. First of all, some of the design features that I really wanted to have in my camera bag were some sort of theft protection, especially in crowds, cities, public places. And two is obviously the ability to carry all my gear. And finally, I wanted to have the top portion of the bag to have a rucksack drawstring. So I can put a hoodie or a t-shirt or a bunch of random items, food, apples, bananas, whatever, snacks. Alright, so the first option that I found is by a company named Inateck. The bag is made of water-resistant material and comes with a rain shield. Comes with a rain bag. When you're stuck in the rain, you can be like, shabam! And you're done. It's a good thought. It's a good thought. I like this. Small extras. That's where I think it really counts. The bag is divided in two layers, but it can also become one. The upper layer holds a laptop and random accessories. And bottom can secure the hold lenses, cameras, and other filming gear. Front smaller pocket can fit an iPad, keys, cell phone, wallet, just smaller items. My option 2 was a bag made by Tarion. And it essentially has all the same features. It has a rucksack drawstring, it has a front pocket that can hold an iPad, and it has a bottom portion that can hold the camera gear. So these two options I'm going to compare more in detail.
What attracted me to the Tarion was its looks. These buckles are made of metal. They're very nicely squeezable. They're very nice to squeeze. But also, it's a lot easier for a thief to unbuckle this. Secondly, something I didn't like was this pocket. It was based way too small, so it fits up to here of my hand. And then the Inateck backpack opens up wider. I can fit a lot more stuff in here. It's actually surprisingly almost twice as large. What I like about the Tarion was this large pocket that opens up here. Good access to the camera. But I hate these dangly things. So a minus for that. On the contrary, this backpack has one single strap which has like a leather dangly thing which doesn't make noise. The access port is a little bit smaller. I have my drone here. But I mean, for my camera it's more than enough space. Another thing that surprised me, this opening right here was the exact size as my other backpack that I was trying to get rid of. So it's literally has the same size plus the top here. This opening, however, was actually smaller. It was quite a lot smaller, to my surprise. It only went down 9.5 inches this way. So the Inateck was 10 inches tall by 12 inches wide. This was 12 inches wide by 9.5 inches tall. And I believe it was like 6 inches deep. Which, I mean, it does look much better, but I think this is not my style. A bit too flashy for my taste. But overall, it's pretty. I mean, the front pocket is also, let's talk about the front pocket really quick. The front pocket it's large, but it doesn't open up as it does in the Inateck, which is disappointing, but it can fit, you know, a small laptop in here, or a small iPad, or large iPad. While the Inateck pocket, it might be smaller, but it's more useful. It has a lot more compartments here, and you can store a small iPad in here. In my case, I got this lens. I actually generally do like the buckling system on this. Makes it a lot easier to buckle and unbuckle.
Some final thoughts about both camera bags. I like the Inateck much better. In terms of comfort, they're kind of both the same. There's not really a significant difference between the comfort level between the bags. The reason why I liked the Tarion bag was because how nice it looked from the outside. But in terms of the features, the Inateck definitely has more of an advantage. For example, the front pocket of it is much better designed for smaller items like your cell phone and wallet and keys. While the front pocket of the Tarion is just the front pocket and there's nothing else to it, which is kind of disappointing. In terms of accessibility to the upper portion of the bag, again the Inateck takes the win on this one because it has a side access for ease of access for your gear. While the Tarion, you have to open the top portion, then dive into the rucksack portion to get anything out of it. So again, the Inateck wins. In terms of stealth, I think the Inateck is a little bit more stealthy. It doesn't pop as much as the Tarion bag. But I mean, that's up to you to decide if you like that kind of style. For me, personally, I like a more low-key style for my bag. So, there are my thoughts. I also put the links down in the description below if you guys are interested in getting those bags. You can get them from Amazon, one-day shipping if you got Prime, which is pretty clutch. Alrighty, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.